Hey, what's up everyone? Louis Tran, Head of Vendor Alliances here from Fastlane. October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and this year's theme is building a cyber-strong America. That means stronger networks, smarter teams, and fewer, oops, I clicked that moments. Whether you're protecting a small business or security cloud workloads at scale, this month is all about leveling up. We're lucky to work with some of the biggest names in the game: Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, Cisco and Splunk, Microsoft, AWS, and Google Cloud. If you're deployed with their tech, we've got the training to help you do it right. Firewalls, SIEM, cloud security, zero trust, we speak all fluent acronyms. And if you're chasing certs, now's the time. CompTIA, EC Council, IC2, whether it's Security Plus, CEH, or CISSP, will help you prep, pass, and actually enjoy the process. Yes, even CISSP, we make it bearable. We've got options on demand for the night owls and multitaskers, public schedules if you like live sessions and group energy, private, virtual, or on-site if your team wants something tailored. From startups to global orgs, we scale with you. Cybersecurity isn't just a job, it's a team sport. So let's build a cyber-strong America together. Check out our courses, reach out if you want to brainstorm, and let's make October count. Stay safe, stay caffeinated, and I'll see you in the next class.